Education.
The marketing team and the CEO himself to take the queries. Before that, so you want to do a Twitter trivia, we thought of, and we were thinking of question to ask because I just have one prize to give away for this trivia. So we were picking up some questions, and I figured out what better than the product team themselves to come up with a question which is tough enough to challenge the bloggers, they say, you know. So I'm sure my bloggers are geared up for that. Just one question to ask. Okay. So how to answer is simple, you know. You'll use the funbook hashtag to answer the question. It has to be a one-word answer and with the hashtag. The hashtag is important because if you don't put the hashtag, we won't be able to track you. The person who comes up with the correct answer the first is the winner of the contest. Still, the person who does the best commentary gets the biggest of all prizes. That is the fun book. So, the question is, okay, everybody on with the Twitter hashtag already? Okay. Which GPU are we using for the fun book? Which GPU are we using for the fun book? The person who answers it correctly, the first with the hashtag, wins a prize. But I have the winner already with me. Before that, the answer is Dual Mali 400. How many of you answered it correctly? 2, 3, 4. Okay. So Karthik has got it the first. Karthik, you get to win a prize, which we'll tell you in a while. Yeah. So, okay guys, the ball is on your court now. Throw away as many questions as you have, genuine questions, I repeat. And we'll make sure that most of the answers are handled by the product and the marketing team here. Do we need mic for the questions? I don't think so. Yeah, who has the question? Questions of all sorts of things. You have a question. If someone wants to come forward and ask a question, most welcome. You have a question. Okay, meanwhile, we have a couple of devices to float around, right? Not too many of them. We'll try to make sure we have one on each. Not too many of them, but we'll make sure that we have one device on each table. We would like you to play around with it and come up with questions if you have any, right? Honey, we have devices. Someone who hasn't got a device can raise his hand. We'll make sure he gets one. Only for the next 2 hours, that is. You got to ask questions.
No, probably there's a show me down. Oh,
That continues. Please feel free to order your food and beer and whatever. Don't worry, if you get drunk, we have enough cabs to drop you home, so that's not a problem.
it's okay. We can
Get one more Coke. Get two iced teas. Iced tea. Get a Coke. Two iced teas. Two iced
Stable. Just for the insights, we've already got 450 tweets in the last 2 hours. Let's make it to number 1, it's already number 2 in India. Okay, let me repeat.
As sort of for like
Chicken, any that ठीक है
Accessories till now that's not decided yet. The accessories have not been decided as yet. What kind of accessories are you planning?
Anyway, I'm just gonna go say hi to them. It's mine, and I'll be back after that,
why is she excited? No, sure, obviously for brand.
Can you work on the agency side of it?
Yeah, exactly. No, obviously. Now I get it. I would never make such
I just want to check about the retail availability and partnerships with the stores that you've tied up with, like Roma, whatever, or as well as online stores.
All right. Right now we are available from our microsite micromaxfunbook.com. We also have a 30-day exclusive tie-up with Snapdeal. So these are the two places available online. Along with it, of course, it's going to be available as our CEO, Mr. Deepak Mehrotra had indicated, in about top 50-60 towns. It's going to be available across the entire retail universe.
I actually read that somebody said that it used as a GPS navigation device. How do you intend to use it as a navigation device? But what it does is it is able to triangulate your location from your Wi-Fi. So yeah, that's correct. But if you have a hotspot, then it will pick up your location from the hotspot. That defeats the purpose, but it does not have GPS navigation.
Micromax. Manu Nagar. Any more tech questions you have? GPS and navigation and XYZ? He'd love to take it. Please.
From Techniques Page. I have a question regarding the the price point, because at the price point which we have launched it seems to me that it does not have huge margins for Micromax. How do you plan to make revenues out of it? Do you have a parallel apps ecosystem which you would supply through your own Micromax store? Something parallel source of revenue which you are looking forward to? And since you mentioned the extensive education support, so I'm curious that do you have a certain financial agreements with
Sure.
those two?
I think the question is slightly bigger than the ambit of marketing to respond it. So I request our CEO to respond.
Okay, it goes back to the premise on which we pulled all partnerships together. Everybody who's partnering with us on putting it together is to ensure that large volumes, large number of customers find the price point and the device attractive to come on board quickly. As that happens, everybody gets a chance to make money on the customer lifetime value. Okay? So that sort of should explain to you why we are going with the kind of price point. It's because all partners, if you look at, there is so much of digital education content available in the country. However, not all of us that is getting access right now. So our partners, whether it's Pearson, whether it's Everon, are actually giving a significant discount to customers who are actually going to be consuming it through the device. What we have on device is a sort of a store. So everybody, all of these partners have put their shops on the store. There is our own payment gateway. They can come on board. So if you buy the device and start, you need to get registered. You can try and buy. When you want to buy, you can access our payment gateway. You could use any other payment means of credit card, debit card, net banking, and we also intend to try and find a way of bringing in a semi-closed wallet to come into play. So you could fill up that wallet using cash outside and use it on the device. So that's the roadmap, that's the direction in which we are going. At this point in time, each partner is trying to ensure that the trial happens, adoption happens, and that's the route that we are taking.
I have a technical question which is around the Micromax app, which is on the tablet, which provides the applications as well as the games. So just in case if the applications of the games gets updated, how does the user get to know that this application is updated and I can update that? Will it happen from the application itself? Will it be a kind of a push notification? As well as, I would like to know this application is running from the like Micromax own servers for providing the content, or is it somewhere else?
Okay, so most of the applications on the M Store are also hosted on the Google Market. It uses the same push notification, and you will get a push notification in case it gets updated. Even M Store, there will be an update which will get released. So you will get an update through Google Market automatically, right? But you have to be registered on Google, so that's mandatory. The other thing is that most of the new applications which are going to be coming on the M Store are actually be based on our backend server, Google's, okay? And we have our own notification system. So if you as a developer want to develop an application and host it with us, whether paid or free, that's possible, and an update can also be pushed.
Question should be for the product team, I guess. As I was going through the earlier Micromax devices, which are enabled with Wi-Fi compatibility, I mean, those who have Wi-Fi, I was noticing that while they had enabled 802.11 protocol, they were only supporting B and G part, not N and A. So how about this?
So that depends on the chipset actually. So 802.11n, it basically depends on the chipset, but what happens is, you tend to use different chipsets on the Wi-Fi. So N will on, but so what happens is, let's say for a device in the future, right? Let's say a device is coming at a price point which is let's say 15K plus or a 20K plus device, then it makes sense to have a Wi-Fi chipset which can support the newer versions which are available, including 100 Mbps.
The thing is that if you use MediaTek 622 3C, 622 3D or 622 5 in your phones as well, I saw the same phones with the same similar chipsets from other vendors do support the